Let's learn how to block someone on TikTok. You maybe broke up with your girlfriend and now you want to block her. Or you fought with your best friend and now you don't talk anymore, so you want to block all of them. Whatever is the reason, don't worry, I will show you how can you do that. Just follow my steps, it's actually very easy. So first, let's start by opening your TikTok application on your device. Find a profile of person you want to block. For the purpose of this video, I will block this random account I found at the TikTok starting page. So go to their profile. I just tapped on this girl profile picture. When the profile page loads, search for arrow icon that's showing right side at top right corner and tap on it. New pop-up appear with few different options. Ignore all of it and tap this block option, it's the one with stop icon. So when you did, this new pop-up appear with some text that you don't care reading about, so just click on this red marked block button. When you did that, this person will be blocked. As you can see, you won't see their posts, reposts, and activity anymore. They also won't see your repost, activity, and posts. However, if you ever decide to unblock them, just tap on this unblock button, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.